Here we have for sale our March 2024 on a 24 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is a 320 model, which means it's got a 3.2 tonne gross vehicle weight. This one's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. This is a short wheelbase limited, finished in frozen white. What we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around and I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom limited of this age. This one is the automatic, which is worth mentioning as well. But what we're going to do in this video is also have a really close look at the condition as well, as I mentioned, talk through the spec, talk you through the service history and what we've done to it during our preparation in readiness for sale here at Bridgend Van Care. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are two doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited, you get a number of elements that come color coded. That of course includes things like the bumpers, the mirror caps, the door handles, all come color coded, in this case in frozen white. Now, as you can probably already see, there's a lot of modifications and body styling that has further enhanced this van. So first thing to mention on the back here is the nice gloss black rear spoiler which has been added, and then further down below we've got the gloss black little lip diffuser there as well, and then also the carbon rear bumper protector also, and these nice gloss black details tie in with a couple of other bits down the side as well, which we'll talk you through in just a second. As standard, they come with nice gloss black badges, the nice black rear lights, and I think all in all, especially on a lighter color van like that, it really all ties in very, very nicely. On a limited, you also get rear parking sensors. As standard, you also get front parking sensors. You can see there's a little mark just there on the rear bumper, but generally speaking, you can see it's looking very clean and tidy indeed. And you've got a reversing camera there as well, which comes as standard on the limited. We'll have to start inside because I have not unlocked the van. So we'll start inside here for a change. We'll jump in, we'll start the van up, and you can see this lovely digital dashboard here in front of us. So you can see the mileage there, 27,397 miles. This very nice sort of rounded off square steering wheel which is on these now. Really nice light steering, makes them very, very easy to drive. On the left hand side then you've got your cruise control settings. On the right hand side you've got your onboard computer controls just there as well. This massive over 11-inch display in the center which gives you wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and feels very modern with all the controls here along the bottom. So you've got things like your heated seats, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, air conditioning, all of that controlled there along the bottom. Of course you've got DAB radio on here as well. Start stop button just there, and the automatic just feels a little bit less cluttered here. So on the manual, of course, you've got the gear stick there. On the automatic, it is on the stalk up there, so it definitely makes it feel less cluttered. And as a 3-seater, you have then got more space here for the legs of your middle passenger. 2 full remote keys, of course, come with the vehicle. Nice little hidden cup holder just there, and a USB and a USB-C there also. Of course, all the usual mod cons like auto-activated lights, auto-activated wipers. This one's got, of course, the driver's armrest, which is on a ratchet, so you can set that to your desired height. Little fold-down work tray in the center there with an elastic there for some paperwork storage. But yeah, in terms of condition inside here, looking absolutely spot on. You can see it's all idling there correctly. No warning lights or anything like that. On the dashboard, 27,397 miles recorded. All looking very, very nice indeed. Electric windows, electric folding mirrors. Yeah, and as you can see in here, looking absolutely spot on. Driver's seat is looking absolutely perfect as well. Now let's jump into the back and let's have a look at the condition inside here. So now the van is unlocked, I can show you inside the back of the van. So these doors are on a sort of 2-stage hinge. So as standard, they will just sort of lock into place there at 90 degrees, but with a good firm push, they open then to the full 180 degree position. And this is where you can see inside the back of the van then brand new ply lining has been fitted in the back of here. This has all been done during our preparation. We do this, anyone who's familiar with us will know that we do this on the vast majority of vans that come into stock. So you can see it's all really nicely siliconed in. They do a fantastic job, but of course as always paying really close attention to these exposed painted areas, which are all looking absolutely spot on, and that is also the correct placement of the toolkit. Nice LED load lighting, and you have got 2 extra lights at the back which are on a little switch just there as well. Hard wearing plastic flooring. Yeah, there's not much to fault in there. It's looking really, really nice and ready for its next owner. While we're here looking down the side of the van, this is where I like to look in these sort of more dynamic angles, and you can just see That is looking perfect. To me, that looks all absolutely original. No signs of any previous paint or anything. It looks very nice indeed. Other than that little mark on the rear bumper there, I haven't seen anything yet that is standing out to me. But looking here down the side then, these really nice caliber CV3 alloy wheels, 20-inch gloss black. I love the look of these alloy wheels. I think they look really modern. Yeah, I think they work very, very well with the rest of the styling, as I say, especially on a lighter van like this. These gloss black elements, like the wheels, like the rear diffuser, the rear spoiler, but also the little side skirts there. I think it stands out very, very nicely. You'll see these little dimples here on the doors, so you have got keyless locking, keyless entry, and of course keyless start as well. As I say, these do feel a very modern van now compared to the previous generation. But yeah, condition inside here looking very, very nice. You have got the load through hatch just there as well, so you can open that up and load right the way through underneath the passenger seats. And having a look from this side here, you can see again the condition of the step, the floor, passenger seats, absolutely faultless inside here. Flip these seats forward and you can see then you've got access there to when you load items through underneath there, but you can use this as a really good out of sight in-cab storage as well. And like I always mention in these videos, you can just see the level of attention to detail that our guys do go to when they're detailing these vehicles. It's as clean under here as you'll find anywhere else on the van. But yeah, looking inside here, nice little glove box up the top. That is deceptively deep, that glove box, and then the lower normal one just there as well. Round to the front then, again, condition is looking very nice. Wing mirror caps all look very good. There's a nice set of roof bars again, which have been added as part of this styling package. And then to the front, some nice modifications here. So you've got the nice gloss black honeycomb grille there, which I think looks very, very nice. We've got the added canards there, again in gloss black, and also the little front splitter as well. And I think all in all, when you tie all of that together, I think that is a remarkably good looking van. I say the gloss black element against the white gives you that really nice contrast. It's aggressive and sporty, but I think without being over the top. The splitter is not too low, so it's still very, very usable and practical. You've got a good sidewall size there on the tyre as well, so it retains good practicality with those wheels and tyres, and also ride comfort as well. So I think it's a really, really attractive package. I think it looks very nice indeed. Standard headlights on these now, these Ford LED headlights, really good quality light unit with also the LED daytime running light just there. In terms of the condition here at the front, looking absolutely spot on. A couple of tiny little stone chips here or there, which have just been neatly touched in by our detailers in preparation, but yeah, not much to fault there at all. In terms of service history, we do have record of 2 previous services that have been carried out on this van, which is really nice to see. Often 2024 plate vans haven't been serviced potentially. This has actually we've got record of 2 services that have been carried out on this van. Of course, regardless of that, Bridgend Van Care, our van specialist workshop, we've put it right through our workshop to completely go through it and give it a full multi-point health check, ensuring it's absolutely ready to drive away for its next owner. And I'm glad to say it has got a clean bill of health, so this vehicle can be driven away the very same day. So it's here with us at Bridgend Van Centre, physically ready to go straight away. We can arrange finance at very competitive rates, whether that be for limited companies or for private individuals, sole traders. If you're self-employed, we have got many different finance packages that are available to you, and hopefully at a competitive monthly payment that, as I say, I think these look very, very attractive. You've got we can also deliver our vans nationwide. We can take cars or vans in part exchange as well. If you'd like to see the full advert, if you haven't seen already, you can head over to our website, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the other lovely vans that we have got in stock at the moment. But yeah, just to summarise, a 320 24 plate, so manufacturer's warranty until March 2027, automatic, short wheelbase, Transit Custom Limited, really nice styling package, fantastic condition, brand new ply lining in the back, and ready to drive away straight away with a comprehensive service history. Thank you very much for watching.